On stocks versus crypto versus real estate. Which is best for beginners? If you're in your 20s, your biggest financial enemy isn't poverty, it's confusion. Stocks, crypto, real estate. Everyone online is saying something different. One person says buy Bitcoin, another says invest in stocks, another says real estate is the only real wealth. But here's the truth. The wrong financial decision at the wrong time can cost you years of your life, and the right one can change everything. So today we're breaking down stocks versus crypto versus real estate, specifically for beginners who want a wealthy future, not gambling energy. Let's start with the one everyone ignores. Stocks. Stocks aren't exciting. They don't go viral. They don't create overnight millionaires, but they build real wealth. When you buy stocks, you're buying ownership in real companies, not hype, not trends, not speculation. Real businesses that generate real money. Companies like Apple, Google, Amazon, Microsoft. These aren't dreams. They're systems that print profit. Stocks give you three powerful advantages: stability, long-term growth, and compounding. Compounding is when your money starts making money for you, and then that money makes money, and then that money makes money again. That's how wealth actually grows. You don't need thousands of dollars. You don't need a finance degree. You don't need perfect timing. You just need consistency. Stocks reward patience, not emotion. Discipline, not hype. Time, not luck. If you want slow wealth, predictable wealth, generational wealth, stocks are the foundation. But not everyone wants slow money. That's where crypto comes in. Crypto is fast money energy. It's volatile, it's emotional, it's chaotic, and it's full of opportunity. Crypto can change your life fast, or destroy your finances even faster. Some people made millions. Some people lost everything. Crypto's power is asymmetry. Small money can turn into big money, but big money can turn into nothing. Most beginners fail in crypto because they treat it like a casino. They chase pumps. They follow hype. They buy fear and sell panic. They copy influencers instead of understanding assets. Smart crypto investors think long-term. Strong projects, real technology, real adoption, limited supply, real use cases. Crypto is not a foundation investment. It's a growth accelerator. It's not where you store your life savings. It's where you place controlled risk. Now let's talk about the dream investment. Real estate, luxury homes, passive income, rental checks, financial freedom. But real estate is not beginner-friendly. It requires capital, credit, debt management, legal knowledge, maintenance, time, responsibility. Real estate isn't just money. It's management. Tenants, repairs, vacancies, taxes, insurance, problems. Yes, real estate builds wealth. Yes, it creates cash flow. Yes, it builds long-term security. But it's not a first move. It's a second stage investment. Real estate works best when you already have income, savings, discipline, and financial structure. So what's best for beginners? Here's the truth no one tells you. Stocks build the foundation. Crypto accelerates growth. Real estate scales wealth. Foundation first, risk second, expansion last. Wealth isn't about choosing one. It's about choosing the right order. Because the goal isn't fast money. The goal is lasting money. Real wealth isn't loud. It isn't flashy. It isn't viral. It's free. If you're serious about building a wealthy future, start smart, not emotional. Build structure before chasing speed. Build discipline before chasing hype. This is how real wealth is built.